to Oliver here. Oliver, what's happening here in the last, 10 or 20 minutes of trade to make everything fall out of bed?
No, it is just a risk-off day, and in all the outside markets, you're seeing the S&P down 141 points, which is just shy of about 4%. Crude oil down about 2.5%, and it's just the sell first, ask questions later environment. Even some of the typically historically safe haven assets are getting crushed too. We've got silver down over 4% and gold down 2.5%. And when we opened up this morning, I was like, wow, these grain markets are really holding their own, all things considered with what's going on in the outside markets. But it seems like that is starting to catch up a little bit. And as I had mentioned, it's just kind of a risk-off environment sweeping through a lot of commodity markets. And we've got a big Fed meeting this week, so a lot of position scoring, I'm sure, going on ahead of that.
Gold down $46 an ounce right now. The U.S. dollar index up 634 points as we speak. Over on the Dow Jones Industrial Average Futures, goodness, June futures down 838 points now. We're at 30,550, and we just saw a glance at it a moment ago on the crude oil trade. West Texas Intermediate crude, we're trading $3 lower with July now at 117.67. Is it just Monday jitters? I mean, what is it? Is there something about this that you think it could snap back tomorrow?
Well, we had a hot CPI print last week, and I think some of that is spilling over, and thoughts of higher and more rapid rate increases are spooking some money managers. And so I think that's a lot of the pressure playing into it. We do have crop progress for the grains out after the close. We're expecting to see a pretty good start for corn and beans as far as good to excellent conditions go. The bullish catalyst is obviously potentially hot and dry weather over the next 2 weeks. But I think some of what we're seeing in the outside market could potentially trump some of that weather concern, and keep in mind that we are in that time of year where hot weather isn't all that uncommon throughout the Midwest.